fancy seeing you here. This is my channel. This is my cat. This is my first video ever for my channel. So I'm very new to this. This could be terrible for you, but great for me. I am a gardener and I love growing food and I love sharing it with other people and I love rock and roll and I love learning. So I live on Vancouver Island, British Columbia, and we are due for an earthquake. So because of that, I wanted to learn how to take care of myself because it occurred to me the last time I felt an earthquake that I had no idea what to do if we had an earthquake where my kids and I and my boyfriend were in jeopardy. So I started to learn about prepping, and I always thought it was really tinfoil hatty, but it's not so much. It's more about just knowing how the world around you works on a very basic natural level and learning how to use it and help it and be a steward of it from everything the ground up. So I'm going to be learning about how to pick mushrooms. I'm going to learn how to hunt. I've already taught myself how to be a beekeeper, which has been amazing. It's saved me a lot of money on making elderberry syrup, that's for sure. I'm going to learn about everything I can, from how to make good soil, what makes good soil, is there different good soil for different areas, all of that. And of course, if you have any suggestions or things that you find interesting, send me a message and tell me what I should be learning about, and maybe you can learn with me. So thanks for popping by. Hopefully this is the first of many videos as we learn and grow together. And yeah, nice to meet you. I'm Renee.